Hi there, this is Kush from Programming Domain. I will be covering classes, methods, and objects in this video. So let's start with classes. A class is nothing but a blueprint or a template for creating different objects which define its properties and behaviors. A class can contain fields and methods to describe the behavior of an object. And what are objects? Objects are instances of the class. They have states and behavior associated with each object. And let's try to understand this with diagram like this. Like we have three companies like Samsung, Nokia, iPhone. What are they? There is something in common in all of these companies. These companies are for what? These are all for all of mobile companies. So basically, we can say that these are basically the objects. These are basically the objects, and these objects, sorry, these are basically the objects, and the mobile, which is common for all the companies, is basically the class. So mobile is a class, and there are three objects for this mobile class that are Samsung, Nokia, and iPhone. So now let's try to understand what are objects and how they are states and what are their states and behaviors. Let's see one more example for that. For example, a dog. Ob- an object dog, an object dog has states and behaviors. States, for example, are color, name, breed, and behaviors are wagging the tail, barking, eating. States describe the object by figuring out its attributes. States are attributes. Colors, name, breed. Behaviors describe the object by using the state. Sorry. Behaviors just describe the methods of that object. Wagging the tail, barking, eating. Now let's see a simple example in NetBeans. First of all, I will tell you how to open NetBeans. First, click this new project icon here, then click next, then give an appropriate application project name. For example, I'll give it as MO, and you can give anything from that, and then click finish. After clicking that, you will see a new project has been opened. Here we have given package name MO, public class MO. This will create by default, and this is your void main function. It will receive string array as an string array args as its argument, and you have to write your code here. Let I have already made one class for you, so let's go to that class. This is a movie class. I have created a class named movie. I have given some attributes. These are attributes. These all are attributes: name, length, show time, cost. Name, length, show time are of string data type, and cost of float data type. Here I have given one constructor. If you are not aware of constructor, then don't worry. We will be teaching you in the constructor in other video. So for now, just see that here we have called this constructor. Here we have written this constructor just to initialize these variables. Like here I have given is name equals to n, length equals to l, show time equals to st, cost equals to c. These n, l, st, and c are the variables which I have passed as arguments to the constructor. Okay, and then we can go below here. This is a method. Public void movie description. A method. This is a function of the same class of type public. Now its return type is void. It means it will return nothing. Here I have given four print statements, that is system.out.println. These are used in Java for printing as the print statements. So now I have given name as name, pass this as concatenate. This operator is used, plus operator is used for concatenating my name, mm, this string with the string which we have initialized in our of constructor. Similarly, this length, show time, cost, etc. Now, what for object? We have declared an object of class movie. Remember, we have a class named movie. So, to declare an object, you have to use syntax such as class name, object name equals to new operator. For declaring a new object, for creating a new object, we will use this new operator, new class name. Then we will pass the arguments like force you 2 hours 30 minutes 1:30 p.m 1:50 etc. And as we have created this class, as soon as we will create this object, the constructor will be called with, and it will receive the arguments as given in your object declaration. Like force2 will go to string n, 2 hours 30 minutes will go to string l, 1:30 p.m will go to string st, 1:50 will go to c, and then the name, length, show time, cost will get initialized with the corresponding variables. Now to call any function or any method of the class, we can call it by using dot operator and object name, as we have done here, like m dot movie description. Here we have given the object name dot and used the dot operator, and given the method name movie description. This will again call the function. This is the function call, and this will print the statements like system print line, system name, when, show time, cost. Let's see the output. Here you can see we are getting the output successfully. That is name force to, length 2 hours 30 minutes, show time 1:30 p.m, cost 150. So this was the basic program for explaining you guys classes, objects, methods, and attributes. Thank you.